Welcome to my channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel. You will find the latest updates on science and technologies, abroad education, job vacancies and scholarships. In the present video, I would like to talk about data science as a product. Why is it so hard? Developing machine learning models as products that deliver business value remains a new field with uncharted paths towards success. Applying well-established software development approaches such as Agile is not straightforward but may still offer a solid foundation to guide success. At Picnic, we see ourselves a text answer to groceries from the app only store 20-minute delivery windows and just-in-time supply chain. The technology and the underlying data are critical to the growth of Picnic. As the data science team within Picnic, it is our job to take data-driven decision making to the next level. We are charged with building automated systems that have the intelligence, context and empowerment to make decisions with business impact in the tens of millions of euros per year. Why is it hard? A study from July 2019 found that 87% of data science projects don't make it to production. There are numerous reactions cited, everything from lack of support from leadership, siloed data sources, and lack of collaboration. Beyond these issues, there are inherent aspects that make data science and machine learning projects different from other software development. First, data science and especially machine learning lives in the world of probabilities and uncertainties. A typical output of a machine learning based payment fraud model would be along the lines of the probability of this order being fraudulent is 73% plus or minus 5% with a 95% confidence interval. Our counterparts on the business side live in a determinist world. We want to block all fraudulent orders. Translating between these words is not an easy task. If you want to find more information on this topic, please check in the description box. Wish you all the success. Please like, subscribe and share. Please press the bell icon for the latest updates. Wish you all the success. May God bless you.